Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to lock apps on Samsung phone. So to do that, I'm heading over to the settings option first. So in here, I'm heading over to the search icon in here and searching for app lock to see if this option is available in Samsung. So as you can see, there is no option of locking app in Samsung. So what we need to do is just to head over to our Play Store and then search for any app locker app. So I'm searching for app lock. Well, now there are so many options in here, and from there I'm just installing this one. So I have to wait for a while so that I can get it installed. And it's currently downloading. This may take a while. So as you can see, once it is all turned on or installed, just tap on open. Now here, select your pin or pattern or your knock code, whatever you want to select. And I'm selecting 4-digit pin and then tap on OK. And here I'm selecting my pin, the passcode. It is a pretty easy one. Let's say. Now tapping on create. And I'm confirming again. So you have to give the permit to show it over the other apps. Just tap on permit. It's turned on. Now go back to the app lock. Turning it on and giving the permit. And it's okay now. Now here are the apps that I have not locked in my phone. So if I want to lock it, I have just to change it to the locked option in here. So these are the apps that are currently locked. If I want to unlock it, I have to just tap on it and it will be unlocked. So as you can see, my Snapchat or my YouTube is currently locked. So I'm heading over to my YouTube. And here I have to give my PIN. And now my app is unlocked. So yeah, this is how easily you can lock apps on Samsung phone. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.